Hello everyone, welcome to English Oughton classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the education. Start. An administrator who is doing an honest man's job and knows that he is doing his utmost often does not receive the recognition that is due to him. In fact, he meets with criticism and curses and feels irritated and hurt. An able administrator, however, will always do the right thing and also make the people feel that he reflects their wishes. The sensation must come to the people that he is reflecting their wishes to some extent. When a multitude of voices is advising the administrator or criticizing him, obviously he has to make his own choice and function according to his own decision. He cannot listen to or agree with each of the hundreds and thousands of voices which advise him. But by his manner of functioning, he should make them realize that he has given due consideration to what they said and that he has been courteous not only to them but to their thinking. That way, by and large, he will be able to satisfy each of them to some extent. In administration, as in most things in life, it is not only what one does but the manner of doing it that counts. It is exceedingly important in dealings with large masses of human beings as in a democracy. I should like to stress this especially because it is of the highest importance as much for the administrator as for the politician. The politician realizes this in the normal course because he would have to go if he did not realize it quickly enough. The administrator, however, can continue much longer without realizing it fully, but there will be ill feeling against him and he will not be able to do his work adequately because most of it now involves the active cooperation of masses of people. The police functions of the state no longer dominate the scene. Each state wants to advance socially and economically. As a matter of fact, all public administration is bureaucracy in a way. The growth of socialism is the growth of bureaucracy. It is very odd that the people who shout most loudly against bureaucracy are the people who want more and more of it. That is what is involved in the growth of socialistic avenues of work. The administrator's work is becoming bigger and bigger. He has not only to keep peace in his area but also to understand people. Stop.